This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. The body of resort manager Clyde Taylor was found on Thursday, to the dismay of family and friends of the deceased. According to police reports, Taylor's body was found with several chop wounds in a Nissan Note motor car shortly after midday yesterday in the district of Top Hill in Hampton, Runaway Bay. The 65-year-old was last seen on February 26 and subsequently reported missing by family members who had become worried as he was not known to go long periods without notifying someone of his whereabouts. The National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, aims to release 1,000 Jamaican iguanas in Hellshire Hills by 2026 as the iguana population grows on the efforts of the Jamaican Iguana Recovery Program. Speaking during NEPA's World Wildlife Day webinar, coordinator of the Watershed Information System, David Reed, shared that there is ongoing work under the program to rehabilitate and increase the population of the endemic Jamaican iguana species, which was once thought to be extinct. A policeman who was seen on video daggering a woman on a police car has been fined several days' pay. The fine was imposed on him after he appeared in the orderly room, which is a police disciplinary hearing procedure, and was found guilty. His colleague, however, who was present during the dancing, had the matter against him dropped. In other news, patriarch of the Morgan heritage clan, Denre Morgan, died at home in Atlanta, USA on Thursday. The veteran singer was 76. His son, Mojo Morgan, confirmed his death to Aura. In the summer of 1981, Morgan had a smash crossover hit titled I'll Do Anything For You. It made Clarendon-born Morgan, who had lived in the US since 1966, a star. It entered Billboard magazine's pop, R&B, and dance charts and was eventually certified gold. And in sports, the cricket world was plunged into mourning on Friday with news that legendary Australian leg spinner Shane Warne has died. Warne died in Thailand of a suspected heart attack. He was 52. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.